Very good. Good evening, Mr. Vikram. Can you please
Good evening,
tell
sir.
us about yourself?
Yes, sir. Sir, my name is Vikram Singh Mahavar. I'm from Ajmer, Rajasthan. Sir, I've done BCom. After that, I pursued for my MBA in finance. Both of the degree I completed from my native hometown under the university named Maharishi Dayanand Saraswati University, Ajmer. So after completing my post-graduation, I opted for an internship under a company named Group 8, which is a digital marketing agency. And sir, I joined under the role of social media associate. So I completed my internship after 3 months.
Mm,
Sir, there are four persons in my family, including me.
mm,
My father is a banker, my mother
mm,
is a homemaker, and a
mm,
younger sister who just completed her graduation recently. Thank
mm.
you, sir.
Now, can you please tell me about your credit management experience? What have you studied? What do you know about credit management? What are the responsibilities of credit officer? How to apprise a credit proposal? Detailed
Uh,
question.
yes, sir. Sir, after reading thoroughly till now, I'm able to judge that the credit officer role is the most important role while it comes to lending because the bank runs solely, not solely, but majorly on lending. If a bank doesn't retain its profit from lending, that it will surely sink down. So it's a very important role as a credit officer to risk assessment while lending, credit assessment, how much to lend, uh, and whom to lend and whom not to lend, and these all the decisions are solely taken by the credit officer and credit managers or the credit department of a bank. Which, sir, there are roles which a credit manager has, a credit officer has to follow, like uh, application and document verification. After that, the credit assessment. After credit assessment, there is the process of risk analysis, in which we had to see how much the risk uh, are in a particular investment, in which we have to see the credit history, repayment history, credit scores of a person, his ITR, bank statement, previous bank statement, and financial statement analysis like balance sheet, cash flows, fund flows, etc. And if anything, if everything goes right till now, then we had to structuring the loan, and in which we had to decide how much the quantum of the loan, rate of interest, and the tenure of the loan, of course, and at final we had to disburse the loan. And even after disbursing the loan, the role of credit officer is not sum up. They had to monitor the loan continuously and try to find if is there any stress is in the repayment or not. That's also.
Good, not bad. Now, can you please tell me something about balance sheet analysis?
So balance sheet analysis is the key role. It plays its key role while the credit assessment or risk assessment, because it gives the insight of a company, how a company is financially sound or not, whether it is able to make an investment for the bank or not. Uh, it shows what a business owns and what it owes to the other person. It shows the how much equity uh, a shareholder equity owner has in business, and it is most probably very useful to analyze the key financial ratios like debt service coverage ratio, which plays an important role. It shows the how much a company is sound to pay its debt service which they are seeking.
Which date you
The
are
major
got which date you have interview?
sir, my interview is on 2nd of August.
Oh, Baba, jaldi aa gaya. Can you tell me
Yes,
the
sir. Absolutely.
tagline of Punjab National Bank?
Yes, sir. The tagline is the bank you can name upon,
Correct.
the
The
name you
name,
can bank upon,
the name
the
you
name you
can
can bank
bank,
upon,
the name you can bank upon. Good.
bank upon.
Please tell me who is the MD and CEO of Punjab National Bank?
Sir, Mr. Atul Kumar Goyal is the current MD and CEO.
Can you tell me what is the business figures, final figures for the quarter ending 30th June 2024?
Yes, sir. I can remind the total deposits are 13.70 lakh crore, and the advances is around 9.80 lakh crore, and the CASA is 5.5 lakh crore, which is
No,
stands somewhere around
you are telling 30th June or previous figure?
uh, sir, I am telling the 30 June, sorry, the financial ending the 1st of the April data, but the CASA
Okay.
is near about same, which is 5.5 lakh crore
No, no,
in both
not
the
same,
balance sheets.
not same, not same,
Sir,
not not
uh,
not same. There is a lot of change. You told
sir, I'm
deposit
saying only CASA ratios is same, not the deposit and advances has a slight change, but the CASA ratios is around 5.5 lakh crore. I've gone through that. Maybe I can be wrong, but I'm pretty sure the CASA ratio
CASA ratio
is
is now
same.
42%.
No, sir, not in the terms of percentage. The percentage has been changed because the bank's deposit has been get increased. But the amount of CASA ratio is 5.5 lakh crore approximately in both the balance sheets.
No, don't say CASA ratio. CASA funds.
Yes, sir. The
CASA
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 ratio for the
CASA
latest
fund.
balance sheet is 40%, and for the previous balance sheet is 41.44%. You
What?
asked for me for the previous balance sheet, that's why I told the 41.44%.
No, no, you know the 30th June figure also.
Yes, sir, I know the 30 June figure also, which is
30th
40%.
30th June figure. What is the
Mm-hmm.
GNPA ratio?
Sorry, sir, I didn't remind the NPA, GNPA and net NPA ratio, which I reminded of the last financial year balance sheet, which is 5.73 is the GNPA and net NPA is 0.73.
Please go through.
Yes, sir. The GNPA is 4.98% and net NPA is 0.60%. Okay, sir.
Deposits,
Deposits are 14 lakh crore, sir, as I already told you. And advances
advances.
are 10 lakh crore. Net profit is 3252 crore and CASA ratio, which is 42%. Sir, but if it is, I'm not wrong, CASA is 40%.
No, no, but somewhere I read it is given as 42 in their
Okay, okay,
figures.
sir.
I have given you
Okay,
a
sir.
figure. I have shared this in our WhatsApp in our group
Maybe,
folder. In our folder,
maybe,
I
sir,
have
I'm get
given.
confused.
You थोड़ा देख लीजिए उसको.
Okay,
Then
sir.
a capital adequacy ratio 15.79.
79%.
Number of branches
10,000. ATMs are 12,000 and bank correspondents are 32,630.
very good. But yeah, don't say simply 10,000. If you can remember 10,150, there is nothing like that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, can you tell me about the NPA classification? That is, what are SMA accounts? What are NPA accounts?
Sure, sir. Sir, NPR classified into various structures in which first comes the standard assets. And in such standard assets, there are the early warning signals in which the stress are occurring in the starting phases, which are considered as SMA 0, SMA 1, and SMA 2. Like both classification of all the three numbers are the SMA 0 is from the starting first month from 0 to 30 days. SMA 1 is from 30 to 60 days, and SMA 2 is from 60 to 90 days. So after completion of the 90 days, the stress are considered under the NPA category as substandard assets. Sir, for the period of first year, it will be considered as a substandard assets, and after the ending of period one, from 12 to 24 months, it will be considered as doubtful assets under the category of doubtful one, and after that year, from 24 to 48 months, it considered as doubtful 2 category, and after 48 months it's considered as doubtful 3 category or loss assets, which bank will determine that these assets will now not able to recover or completely lost assets.
Good. You told this nicely. Please talk to
Thank
me
you.
about private limited company and public limited company. I am not asking public sector. I am asking private
Okay.
company, public company.
Okay. Sir, maybe I'll get a little bit of wrong idea, but I can predict if you are allowing me the liberty to guessing my answer, then I can continue.
Please tell,
Should I
please
guess,
tell.
sir? Sir, sir, the public companies are the company which have the shareholding of central government more
Wrong,
than 51%.
wrong, wrong, wrong. That's why I said I am not asking public sector. I am asking public limited company. A private limited company is one where the minimum number of shareholders are two and maximum number is 200. And a public limited company, this is coming under Companies Act 2003. 2003 or 13? 2003, I think so. So you should look into the Companies Act. Then limited company is one where the minimum shareholders are seven, maximum unlimited. But what you are telling is a public sector company is one where the capital 51% and above is owned by government. Whereas a private sector company is one where
सॉरी सर मैं
the
लाइट चली गई थी तो वाईफाई डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था.
pardon.
आई एम सेइंग सर वो लाइट चली गई थी बीच में डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था वाईफाई.
You are not able to listen.
थिंग यू सेड
Acha,
फ्रॉम द लास्ट
you
1
are
minute
you
30
you are
second or
not
1
able to
minute.
listen. Acha, I was
I'm sorry
telling
for
you
that.
a private limited company is
Yes
one
sir.
where the minimum shareholders are two, maximum 200.
Okay.
A public limited company is one where the minimum shareholders are seven,
Okay sir, I got
maximum
confused on the
unlimited.
terms of number of the person.
That is why I cautioned you. When
Yes
I
yes
gave
sir.
the when I gave the question itself, I gave you caution and asked you. कोई बात नहीं. Now please tell me what is a dividend.
Sir, a dividend is basically whenever a company gets profit and decided to divide its profit among its shareholders on the number of share a person holding,
Good.
then
Now
it is termed
please
as
tell
dividend.
me how many RRBs are there in our country now?
Sir, there are 43 RRBs as of now.
Good. In the case of RRBs, capital contribution is in what extent? Central government, state government, sponsoring bank. How much?
Yes, sir. The sponsoring bank have 15%, central government has 50%, and 35% is of state government.
Wrong.
Uh,
Central
Sorry,
government
sir.
50, central government 50, sponsoring bank
Yeah.
35, state government 15.
Okay, okay, sir. Yeah, I got
Very good.
got
No
blood.
problem. No problem. Best wishes. You are answering well, but you have to read something more to update your knowledge also. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much.